The trial of Christopher Schurr began today with a witness who testified about the effectiveness of tasers. The former Grand Rapids police officer was carrying one when he got into a struggle with Patrick Lioya. That struggle ended when Schurr shot Lioya in the back of the head with his gun. 13 Your Side's Callie Lichter is covering this trial for us. She joins us now live with today's testimony. Hi, Callie.
Early and defense questioned this expert from Axon about the taser, which is really the crux of this case. So Bryan Chiles is a senior manager at Axon Enterprises who makes both the body cameras and tasers issued to GRPD officers. Chiles works in forensics related to these items, and over the nearly 2 hours, we heard the prosecution question Chiles to try and prove the taser would not have caused great bodily harm or death if Lioya would have gotten a hold of the taser, but the defense questioned if the taser could have incapacitated Schurr, leading him to be vulnerable.
If the taser probes are deployed on a subject, they are at risk of suffering NMI for a minimum of 5 seconds. Fair to say?
Experiencing, yes.
Okay. And deploys the probes at the officer, then that officer is vulnerable to perhaps have other weapons accessed or be assaulted. Is that fair to say?
That's fair to say. If they were under the effects of NMI, they can't defend themselves or their equipment.
We also got our first juror question if grass or dirt could impact the taser, with the answer being yes, it could. And the next witness, who's a professor who deals in use of force at last check, was currently being questioned on if he could be regarded as an expert, which was the subject of motions from the past couple of weeks. And we are still live with the trial and getting back to it in a second. Live at the Kent County Courthouse, I'm Callie Lichter, 13 on your side.
All right, Callie, thank you. We are carrying the full trial on our streaming app 13 Plus. Our live stream starts at 8:30 every morning, but the judge has ordered that the stream must be on a 30-minute delay. That means we cannot start the show of the trial until 9 a.m. During that half hour, though, our Lauren Baker will explain what is expected to happen that day. We will also hear from experts and our reporters in and outside of the courtroom during breaks. Once again, that is all taking place on our streaming app 13 Plus. Download on your TV and watch for free.